Welcome back to Gear Storm, where horsepower meets heartbeats. Today you're looking at a legend reborn. This is the 2026 Ferrari LaFerrari, not just a supercar but a statement. Sleeker, faster, and smarter than ever before, Ferrari's flagship hypercar returns with a vengeance. If you thought the original LaFerrari was the pinnacle, buckle up. What you're about to see will change that forever. Let's start at the front. From the very first glance, the nose of the new LaFerrari feels like an evolution of a bloodline that never forgot how to hunt. The low-slung carbon fiber front splitter is wider, meaner, and more aerodynamically sculpted than its predecessor. Integrated active flaps adjust in real time, increasing downforce with the precision of a Formula One system. The LED matrix headlights slice forward like blades, with laser-sharp DRLs, giving this beast its unmistakable stare. Ferrari has pushed the aerodynamics further, with hidden vortex generators under the chassis and air channels that snake through the bonnet and around the fenders. Every curve here has a purpose, every vent a role to play. It's not just beautiful, it's engineered aggression. As we move along the side, the silhouette is unmistakably Ferrari, low, tight, and poised. The doors still open upwards in that iconic butterfly motion, but they've been refined. With lightweight hinges and sensors that detect nearby obstacles, the new alloy design is pure Italian artistry, housing ultra-high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires made specifically for this model, the signature Scuderia Ferrari. Shields are embossed into the bodywork, not just stickers, a subtle nod to craftsmanship. Now step inside. This is where art meets science. The cockpit is futuristic yet rooted in Ferrari DNA. The dashboard has been fully digitized, using a 16-inch curved OLED screen that changes dynamically depending on your drive mode. Touch-sensitive panels line the steering wheel, which now features a slightly more compact design for quicker inputs and better control. The seats are fixed, molded to your preferences when ordered, while the pedals and steering adjust to fit. Upholstery options include Alcantara, carbon leather, and a new vegan microfiber, and every stitch is done by hand in Maranello. Ambient lighting glows subtly through the interior, synced to the driving mode Calm and Comfort, Pulse Red In. Race.Ferrari has also worked on sound, not just from the engine, but inside the cabin. Hidden speakers amplify intake sounds, while a vibration feedback system built into the seats simulates engine resonance, so even if you're in electric mode, you feel the Ferrari soul. Now, the rear of this car is where things get serious. The diffuser is larger, smarter, and integrates with the new e-diff system. The active rear wing deploys faster and reacts to both speed and lateral G-force. The quad exhausts, they're titanium, fire-spitting, and acoustically tuned to unleash a howl that will send shivers down your spine. But the real story is under the rear hatch, or rather, what powers it? The 2026 LaFerrari now runs a refined hybrid powertrain, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 paired with 3 electric motors. Combined output, an earth-shaking 1,180 horsepower. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.2 seconds, top speed. Electronically limited to 390 kilometers per hour, though. Insiders say it's capable of more under the right conditions. The new lithium-sulfur battery pack is lighter and more energy-dense, delivering 40 kilometers of pure electric range. Not impressive for EVs, but for a car like this, it's remarkable. It means silent, stealthy city cruising, and an explosion of fury when you hit Race Plus mode. Handling is razor-sharp, thanks to Ferrari's new AI-assisted stability control. The car learns your driving style and subtly adjusts torque vectoring, suspension damping, and brake bias to suit your confidence level. You don't drive this car. You become part of it. And now to the part that stings a little, the price. The base version of the 2026 LaFerrari is expected to start at $3.8 million. But don't expect to walk into a dealership and get one. Ferrari is handpicking buyers again, legacy customers, collectors, and F1 connected elites. Only 599 units are planned globally, making it even rarer than the original. Still, the value isn't just in ownership, it's in the vision, what it represents. A fusion of raw combustion and electrified intelligence. An engineering masterpiece that balances tradition with innovation. This car doesn't just drive, it roars into the future. If you're still watching, drop a like, because we just brought you closer to a machine that most will never see in the wild. Subscribe to Gear Storm for more reviews, deeper dives, and behind-the-scenes access to the world's rarest performance machines. This is where passion meets precision.